Hi everyone! Today we're showcasing the best Mido watches forever based on their specifications. Check the description for links to each watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Number 10. Mido Baroncelli Signature M037.207.11.41.01 bridges the gap between timeless elegance and modern functionality. Encased in a sleek 30mm stainless steel case, it offers a sophisticated and versatile design for everyday wear. The highlight lies in the beautiful blue dial, a perfect canvas for the classic hands and subtle date window. Beyond aesthetics, the Baroncelli signature boasts a Swiss-made automatic movement, the caliber 80 based on the ETA C07.611. This reliable engine provides smooth operation and a long power reserve, ensuring the watch keeps running even when not worn for extended periods. An innovative Nivachron TM balance spring adds another layer of sophistication. It offers superior resistance to magnetism and temperature fluctuations, enhancing the watch's precision. With scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and water resistance up to 50 meters. Number 9. Mido Belluna Royal. Its sophisticated elegance. Available in a range of sizes from 30mm to 40mm, and finishes, stainless steel or rose gold PVD, it caters to a variety of styles. The highlight lies in the captivating cushion-shaped case with its harmonious curves. This pairs beautifully with the sunray stamped dial, which reflects light for a dynamic appearance. Beyond aesthetics, the Belluna Royal boasts a reliable Swiss automatic movement, the caliber 80. This engine offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, keeping the watch running even when not worn for extended periods. The watch face features classic hands and markers, ensuring clear readability. A scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the dial, and the timepiece boasts water resistance up to 50 meters, handling splashes and everyday wear with ease. Number 8. Mido Commander Shade M8429.3.23.11 is a modern take on a classic military field watch. Encased in a robust 42mm stainless steel case with a black PVD coating, it exudes a stealthy and sophisticated look. The highlight lies in the gray sunray brush dial, which offers a subtle play of light and adds depth to the watch face. Bold Arabic numerals and luminous hands with green superluminova ensure excellent readability in any lighting condition. Beyond aesthetics, the Commander Shade boasts a Swiss automatic movement, the caliber 80, renowned for its impressive 80-hour power reserve. This reliable engine keeps the watch running even after extended periods off your wrist. A unidirectional rotating bezel adds a touch of functionality, while scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the dial, with 100 meters of water resistance. Number 7. Mido Ocean Star Diver 600. Head first into the world of professional-grade timekeeping for underwater enthusiasts. Encased in a robust 43.5mm stainless steel case, it boasts a water resistance of up to 600 meters, allowing you to explore the ocean depths with confidence. A helium escape valve ensures safety compression after deep dives, a detail appreciated by technical divers. The unidirectional bezel with a ceramic ring ensures precise dive time tracking, while the black dial with luminous hands and markers offers exceptional readability underwater. Beyond its functionality, the Ocean Star Diver 600 doesn't compromise on style. A sapphire crystal protects the dial, and the COSC-certified chronometer movement guarantees superior timekeeping precision. Number 6. Mido Ocean Star Tribute pays homage to the brand's rich diving watch heritage with a modern twist. Encased in a sleek 40.5mm stainless steel case, it offers a comfortable and classic design for everyday wear or weekend adventures. The highlight lies in the vintage-inspired dial, featuring bold Arabic numerals with a slightly aged lume treatment, evoking the spirit of classic dive watches. Beyond aesthetics, the Ocean Star Tribute boasts a reliable Swiss automatic movement, the caliber 80, renowned for its impressive 80-hour power reserve. This ensures the watch keeps running even when not worn for extended periods. A unidirectional bezel adds a touch of dive functionality, while a screw-down crown and 200-meter water resistance guarantee its suitability for swimming, snorkeling, and even light diving. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the dial, and the watch comes with a choice of a sporty metal bracelet or a comfortable vintage-style leather strap. Number 5. Mido multifort patrimony chronograph M040.427.36.042.00 is a tribute to the brand's legacy, honoring the iconic multifort chronograph from 1937. Encased in a stylish 42mm stainless steel case, it features a domed sapphire crystal that enhances its classic character. The highlight lies in the panda-style dial, featuring a black base with contrasting white chronograph subdials for a timeless look. A tachymeter scale graces the bezel, allowing for speed calculations, while the central chronograph hands track elapsed seconds and minutes. Beyond aesthetics, the multifort patrimony boasts a reliable Swiss automatic movement, the caliber 60, based on ETA A05, H31. This engine offers a smooth operation and a 60-hour power reserve, with 50 meters of water resistance. Number 4. Mido baroncelli Midnight Blue is a dress watch that embodies timeless elegance with a touch of modern sophistication. Encased in a sleek 40mm stainless steel case, it offers a polished and versatile look for everyday wear. The star of the show is the captivating midnight blue dial, its deep hue resembling a clear night sky. Classic silver hands and subtle baton markers dance across the dial, ensuring excellent readability. Beyond aesthetics, the baroncelli Midnight Blue boasts a reliable Swiss automatic movement, the caliber 80, based on the ETA C07.611. This engine provides smooth operation and an impressive 80-hour power reserve, keeping the watch running even after extended periods off your wrist. An innovative Nivacron TM balance spring adds a touch of technical flair. It offers superior resistance to magnetism and temperature fluctuations, enhancing the watch's precision, with scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and water resistance up to 50 meters. Number 3, Mido Commander Big Date M021.626.22.031 Torzor is a Swiss-made masterpiece that merges timeless design with modern functionality. Encased in a 42mm stainless steel case with a partial rose gold PVD finish, it offers a touch of luxury for everyday wear. The highlight lies in the sunray finished dial, showcasing a clean and legible layout. The oversized date window at 6 o'clock takes center stage, ensuring easy readability at a glance. Beyond aesthetics, the Commander Big Date boasts a reliable Swiss automatic movement, the caliber 80, based on ETA C07.651. This engine delivers smooth operation and an impressive 80-hour power reserve, keeping the watch running even when not worn for extended periods. The watch features a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and offers 50 meters of water resistance, handling splashes and everyday wear with ease. Number 2. Mido Baroncelli Chronometer C is a symphony of classic aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. Wrapped in a polished 34mm stainless steel case with rose gold PVD options, it offers a timeless design perfect for both men and women. Beyond its elegant form, the baroncelli chronometer Psi boasts a COS-certified chronometer movement, a guarantee of superior timekeeping precision. This engine is further enhanced by a silicon balance spring, a modern marvel offering exceptional resistance to magnetism and temperature fluctuations, ensuring long-lasting accuracy. The clean silver dial features classic hands and a date window, ensuring readability at a glance. A double-sided, anti-reflective sapphire crystal ensures perfect clarity from any angle. With 3-bar water resistance, it handles splashes and rain with ease. Number 1. Mido Ocean Star, GMT, M026.629.17.051.0 is a globe-trotting timepiece built for the modern adventurer. Encased in a robust 44mm stainless steel case, it boasts a water resistance of up to 200 meters, allowing you to conquer the elements in style. The highlight lies in the multicolored bezel with 24-hour markings, perfect for tracking time across different time zones. A clear and legible dial with luminous hands ensures easy reading of local and GMT time. Beyond aesthetics, the Ocean Star GMT boasts a reliable Swiss automatic movement, the caliber 80, based on ETA CI07.851. This engine offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, keeping the watch running even after extended periods off your wrist.